The camera timeline is a new way to grab footage from your vehicles. With a simple interface, you can now pull video clips by date and time more easily than ever. Please note that this feature is only available for Surfsight brand dash cams. To access the camera timeline for a vehicle, first choose the vehicle pop-up from either the Action Board, Status, or Maps screen. From here, choose the Camera Timeline tab. You will now see the timeline for the current date. If you need to change the date, click on the calendar icon in the upper left-hand part of the pop-up. Your driver's trips throughout that day will be indicated by the red sections on the timeline. You can click and drag the timeline cursor to the exact time you want to view footage for. To preview footage from that time, first make sure you have the correct video feed selected: front camera, rear camera, or auxiliary camera. Then click the play button. All preview footage will be shown in 20-second clips. If you want to continue watching after the preview stops, click the button below. When you're ready to download the footage, click the Get SD Video button in the upper right. It's important to note that by default, the video quality is set to standard quality. If you want a higher quality video with a faster frame rate, first choose High Quality from the drop-down in the upper left-hand corner of the pop-up. Then click the Get HD Video button. You can now choose up to 2 minutes before the event and up to 2 minutes after the event for the video clip you are retrieving. When you are ready, click the Get HD Video button and your video will begin processing. Videos can take several minutes to retrieve, so please be patient. You can go to the User Requested tab to check the status of your video. Any user requested clip will be indicated by a blue icon. You will know if the clip is ready to download if the camera icon underneath the media column has a number other than 0, indicating the number of clips that are ready to preview. Another way to tell is if there is a date and time entry underneath the Received Time column. If it is blank, then the video is still processing. When your videos are done, you can play them in either of the video feed windows. Download them by clicking the vertical ellipsis and choosing Download. Or email them to yourself or someone else by clicking the Email Media Link icon in the upper right-hand corner of the video feed windows.